In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gmail account without verification code. 5 minutes. Let's get you back into your account using Google's official recovery flow without relying on a verification code. Start by opening a web browser and going to g.co/recover. This is Google's trusted recovery page, so make sure you're on the correct address before you proceed. On that page, type the Gmail address you're trying to recover exactly as it was created, then select Next. Small details matter here, so double check spelling and any dots in the address. If your account was recently deleted, Google may first ask for the password you remember using. If you still recall it, enter it to continue. If not, no problem, choose. Try another way. That option is designed for situations where you don't have access to codes or can't remember the current password. From here, Google will guide you through a series of identity checks to confirm it's really you. If you don't have two-step verification set up, you'll see other methods instead. One common path is answering the security questions you set up previously. Provide the most accurate answers you can. If you're not sure, give your best honest estimate. Consistency with what you originally entered is what matters most. To improve your chances, complete these steps on a device and in a location you've used to sign in before, and stay patient. Rushing can lead to mistakes that slow things down. You might also see an option labeled two-step verification phone. If that appears and you have access to that device, click it and follow the on-screen instructions to approve the prompt. This can work even when you don't have a code to enter because Google may simply ask you to confirm on your phone. Continue following the prompts until your identity is verified. Once Google confirms it's you, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique. Avoid anything you've used on other sites, and don't include easily guessed details. A good approach is a mix of words and characters that you can remember but others wouldn't guess. After you set the new password and save it, you can sign back into your Gmail and other Google services. That's it. You went to gco/recover, entered your address, used try another way when needed, verified your identity through the available methods like security questions or a phone prompt, and then created a new secure password. If you found this helpful, keep your recovery options up to date so the process is even smoother next time.